Well, the other thing that's challenging too is, we look at median home prices, right? And everyone's like, see, it happened. Take a breath. What really happened? Transactions and the median plus, like we've been talking about for a year. It's median minus that's going to stay very strong.
White hot.
Right. I literally am getting calls on the 2 single family homes that I own. Are you sure you don't want to sell it right now? I was like, no, I don't, no.
Yeah, no, thank you.
And the crazy funny thing is it's like, I could probably sell it and put it into another small multifamily. But this is the craziness, is that it's not that the market went down. It's that levels of transactions disappeared. And that's what I've been saying for a year. It was the median plus. It was the luxury buyer. It was the move up buyer. Like you and I have talked about at length, right? Yeah. Who's trading in a 2.5 or a 3% mortgage for a 7% mortgage?
Yeah. There was a wonderful tweet. I think it was from Sacramento Appraiser. I could be wrong yesterday, but it's basically said this: who wants 20% more house for 200% more payment?
Exactly.
I'm like, that's it. That's exactly what's happening. It's like, no, thank you.
But we're still seeing in our market, like starter homes just getting more expensive. They're not coming. Oh, yeah. They haven't come down at all. And every single time one posts, it's gone in 5 days.
Yeah. I got a picture from somebody in my market, Fresno, California, about just a nothing house. It'd been updated, but it was a 3-1. It was like 912 square feet. Just nothing. Lines out the door.
Yeah.
The open house.
Yeah. I talked to my agent, I think this was last week, 65 people at a $400,000 home, starter home, 65 people. And the guy goes, well, yeah, but it was just somebody was like, yeah, well, I've been an open house agent. It was just a bunch of lookers. I was like, no. You take ownership. You're bad at inducing offers if you think only one person's writing an offer out of that group. That's what you're bad at. So they got, I think it was either 9 or 11 offers or something like that. And they were all asking over.
Yeah.
And you're seeing stories again of people's, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 over ask, 10% over ask, and they're not getting the deal. Median minus is where it's at. We told you that the housing market wasn't going to go down in that spectrum. And so, median's coming down. Exactly. High-end luxury and move-up buyers have disappeared from the market. Those transactions are a fraction.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm. But if you're looking to buy in that price range, it's a little bit fun shopping, right, Mike? I mean, a little bit.
It is fun to shop. It's fun to shop. Yeah.
It's again, like $2 million properties, a little over $1.3 million, $1.4 million, and you're like, we have more to go.
Exactly. Yeah. No, I do think Patrick McDavid is right about the luxury market. Yeah. Time to write disrespectful offers. And it only gets better from here, right? We get this recession, we get a stock market, conniption.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Because nobody needs a luxury home.
No.
You might want a luxury home.
I bought my house for half of what it cost to build it.
There you go. Okay.
Value. And you're not going to get that on these median homes, these median minus homes. Median minus is the middle of the market minus, and that median and below. And so that median minus home is continuing to go up. It's not enough to buoy the entire market up, because if you figure it, a typical median home, $400,000, and your typical luxury real estate, $1.5, $1.6 million. But that used to have 50 transactions a month, and now they're doing 10 transactions a month. That's literally like taking 200 homes and essentially, or 160 homes off the market, or sales out of the market.
The median is such an interesting number that nobody really understands. Line up all the transactions, find the one in the middle, take all those transactions, erase 30% here. Guess what happens to the median?
Yep. And it's like those entry-level homes are still flying off the market. Multiple offers. It's the whole nine.
Yeah. So this is why, folks, I feel good about putting good back on the table. Great is really hard to find. It's not impossible, but it is admittedly hard. I think we've de-risked this. So if you find a value add opportunity or a house hack or something, and it is truly a good deal, it's a 7.5 on a 6 or a 6 on a 4, whatever it is for your buy box, time to write good offers. Still don't do average, don't do bad, but good or great is back in the building. Matt, how can they find you?
Lumberjack Landlord on YouTube and on Instagram. And we've got a lot of projects that we're getting live in the last couple of weeks. And so we're posting almost every day, the joys of landlording.
There you go, brother. Take care of yourself. Thanks for all you do.
Thanks, Mike. Take care.